In today's video, we are going to learn how to use Microsoft PC Manager to make a Windows PC or laptop faster. And if the system feels slow, apps take too long to open, storage fills up quickly, or startup has become heavy, this tool is one of the safest options because it comes directly from Microsoft itself. First, understand why this matters. Over time, every Windows computer collects temporary files, background processes increase, startup programs become crowded, and many people install third-party cleaning software that is not always safe. That is exactly why Microsoft introduced its own PC management tool, so cleaning, optimization, and basic protection can happen inside one trusted application. Start by opening a web browser and searching for Microsoft PC Manager Download. Open the official Microsoft page, then click the free download button. Once the setup file downloads, double-click it and complete the installation. The setup is simple. Just continue through the install steps until it finishes. After installation, open Microsoft PC Manager from the desktop or Start menu. The first screen shows memory usage and temporary files. This is where quick optimization starts. If temporary files are detected, click the Boost button. The system immediately clears junk files and frees memory. After a few seconds, memory usage drops and the system usually feels more responsive. Next, open Health Check. Inside Health Check, the tool shows recommended fixes such as browser cache, leftover files, and unnecessary temporary data. Review the items, keep the useful recommendations selected, then run the cleanup. After that, open Storage Management. Here you will find Deep Cleanup. Click Deep Cleanup and let it scan the system. This scan checks deeper locations and often finds large temporary files, logs, cache files, and leftover installation data. If this is the first time running it, a large amount of storage may be recovered. Below that, open Manage Large Files. This helps identify files taking too much disk space so unnecessary files can be removed safely. Now move to Manage Apps. Here installed applications appear in a list. Any application no longer needed can be removed directly from here. Avoid removing system tools unless absolutely certain. Next, open Startup Apps. This is one of the most important sections. Startup Apps shows programs that launch automatically when Windows starts. Disable applications that are not needed every time the computer boots. Do not disable graphics drivers, antivirus services, sound drivers, or hardware-related components. Only disable things like browsers, game launchers, chat applications, and extra utilities that are not essential at startup. In the Security section. Here there is a scan option. Run a quick scan to check for threats. If suspicious files are detected, the tool will recommend action automatically. There is also Browser Protection, which helps detect dangerous downloads and suspicious browser changes. If needed, enable Browser Protection for extra safety. You may also see Pop-up Management, which helps reduce unwanted notifications and interruptions. The important thing to remember is that Microsoft PC Manager is not magic. It improves system efficiency by removing clutter, reducing unnecessary startup load, and helping basic maintenance happen regularly. For best results, use Boost occasionally, review startup programs carefully, and run deep cleanup every few weeks. A clean system always performs better than a neglected one. That is how simple system maintenance turns an average Windows machine into a noticeably smoother machine. And once this becomes a habit, performance problems become much easier to control.